How to use Monopoly Go Airplane Mode Glitch 2024. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use the Monopoly Go Airplane Mode Glitch in 2024. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Monopoly Go app on your mobile and log into your account. Over here, take note of your current position on the board and maximize your multiplier. After that, turn on airplane mode on your device. Then continue playing until you see the no internet connection pop up. Make sure to record the rolls you get during this session. Then exit the Monopoly Go app and before turning off airplane mode, go to your device settings and select clear data. Confirm by clicking clear all data. After that, turn off airplane mode and reopen the Monopoly Go app. Log in again and check your recorded rolls. If you don't want a specific roll, you can change the multiplier. Keep in mind that changing the multiplier will randomize the rolls. So that's how you can use the Monopoly Go Airplane Mode glitch in 2024. That's all for this video.